drawing video with the artistic bird. Today I'll be drawing a cat and we're just going to be doing it in Procreate. So I have Procreate already opened. So I'm just going to start off by doing a simple outlining of the cat for my illustration, and I'll just start out with the ears here, which are just 2 triangles on either side. Then I'm going to do the face, and then I'll work my way up to the body and the tail. Now, instead of drawing on the cat, I'm going to copy and paste this one by selecting it. Then I'm going to use my 3 fingers to go copy and paste. And I'm just going to fix up the rest of the lines here. I am now going to start drawing in the feathers, which is just a series of triangles at the top and a series of rectangles down the bottom, and I've just started doing this on another layer. Now I am just filling in the sky with a black. I want to add some stars to the painting, so I'm going to use the speckle brush in spray paints to add some stars, and I'm just going to use a white from the color palette. We now want to colour in our fence, so I added another layer for the fence, and I'm going to select a light brown for the fence colour and just start filling them in. So the base colour of the fence is done. Now we're going to add in a moon in the sky. So we're just going to draw a circle and then fill it in with a white, and then we're going to do some grey craters using our monoline brush and just dragging and dropping the colour in. In order to give the cats more depth and to make their colour stand out, I am adding in a blue shadow background using a soft airbrush and a light blue colour for the colour palette. So now I'm going to colour in the cat just using a black colour from the colour palette and the monoline brush. Now that we're finished with the cats, we're going to move on to finishing the fence, and I'm going to use a darker brown to add in some shadow work on top of the fence, and I'm adding a new layer, and I'm just going over the lines that you see here. So this is our finished painting. I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification button as well, and please also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Bye bye, thank you, see you next time.